everyone.
James,
He's vain but lots of fun.
Percy,
Pulls a mill on time.
Gordon,
Thunders down the line.
Emily,
Really knows her stuff.
Henry,
Toots and huffs and puffs.
Edward,
Wants to help and share.
Toby. Well, let's say